India is rapidly emerging as a powerhouse in solar panel manufacturing, fueled by government initiatives like Make in India and production-linked incentives. Indian solar panel exports are booming. Between March 2023 and February 2024, India shipped 6,999 solar panels, with exports rising 47% year-over-year. In February 2024 alone, shipments jumped 82% compared to the previous year. The United States is India's top export destination, accounting for nearly 97% of all solar module exports, valued at USD 1 billion. Key markets include South Africa, the United Arab Emirates, and Afghanistan. Despite export growth, India still imports a significant amount of solar modules and cells, mainly from China, Vietnam, and Malaysia. In fiscal year 2023-2024, India exported nearly USD 2 billion worth of solar modules, while importing over USD 4 billion in solar modules. Top Indian exporters include Servokon Systems Limited and Ecosys Solar Solution. With rising demand and supportive policies, India's solar panel industry is set to play a transformative role in the global clean energy transition.